Hey guys, what's up? Thanks so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing another advent calendar. You guys seem to really enjoy these. I've been online hunting for more. It seems like a lot of them are based in the UK and those ones seem amazing as well. I'm gonna try to get my hands on a few more, but just in case if you've never heard of an advent calendar before, it's basically like a countdown to Christmas. I know, I realize it's only October, but some of us like to get our Christmas shopping done ahead of time and some of us just like to treat ourselves. So I thought I would give you guys a sneak peek inside of the box. So this year's theme is Reasons to be Happy. It retails for $99. I do have a coupon code down below to where whenever you become a subscriber of Glossybox, it'll give you your first box for $16 and then give you $10 off of the advent calendar. Without the code, it's $99. I believe there's free shipping already. So inside there's actually 25 beauty treats. 19 are supposed to be full size and then 6 of them are deluxe minis ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup. I saw Tarte, Iconic London, which I'm really excited for because I've never tried anything from that line before. What was the other one that they mentioned? Those are the two that really stuck out. Oh, Wander Beauty. That's another brand that I'm very familiar with. I'll show you guys all the listed prices that they showed in the catalog just within the close-ups. That way you guys can see the price breakdown. So I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and dive right in and see what's inside. So on the side, it says there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. We have 4 drawers. So starting off at the top, oh, I guess the numbers are kind of scattered throughout. So in this top drawer, we have product number 1. We have something from Makeup Revolution. This is their Face Quad in Incandescent. You get 4 highlighting powders. I'm pretty sure I actually own this already. Let me go ahead and just remove this little sticker. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm almost positive that I have this. I do. These highlighters are really nice. If you like a really high shine, intense highlighter, you would love these. They work great as eyeshadows and inner corner highlights as well. So there's a mirror and then just 4 different shades. There's our first full-size product. I realize part of the fun of the advent calendar is the thrill of the hunt of finding each of the numbers, but for time's sake in the video, I thought I would just go ahead and pull out all the boxes and line them up. So moving on to box number 2, this one feels much lighter. Ooh, it's in a mascara. It is a liquid eyeliner. I have not really played with much from the brand ILLAMASQUA. I remember their blushes being really hyped up years and years ago here on YouTube, but I haven't played with anything from them in a while. So this is just in the shade black. It is a felt tip liner and wow, that's intensely pigmented right off the bat. It almost goes on looking like a gel liner. I'm excited for this one. Lately, I've been going more for like brown liquid liners just because I feel like they're a little bit more natural just for a day-to-day use. But whenever I am wanting more of like a smoky glam look, I'll definitely be reaching for that. Okay, box number 3 is just a cute little square. In here we have, oh, this is a product I have used before. This is from the brand, I'm pretty sure it's Banila. Yeah, Banila Co. This is a Korean beauty cleansing balm. It's just their Clean at Zero cleansing balm. This is really, really nice. I think after I tried the Clinique Take the Day Off, this was the second cleansing balm that I ever tried. It's really great. I know this is one of the top selling cleansing balms in like whenever it comes to the whole K-beauty realm, but since then like so many more brands have released them. Moving on to box number 4, we have something longer. I keep opening the wrong side. Okay, in here we have, this is a brand that I've never heard of before. Is it Ona? I'm guessing. New York All Eyes on Me Illuminating Eye Gels. I talked about this in my last unboxing. I'm a huge fan of hydrogel under eye masks. So it says instant lift and radiance, cooling hydration, depuffing. You could use these first thing in the morning. I typically like to go in with hydrogel eye masks right before I'm about to apply my makeup. I'll put on these, maybe like pluck my eyebrows. If I got any rogue mustache hairs, go ahead and pluck those too. Apply my SPF and just really let these soak in while I apply my eye makeup. This is something that I feel like I can never have enough of because it's just a great product you can use every single day. Box number 5, we have another little baby one. This, oh, which is this the newer one? Okay, FLOWERBOMB, I actually still have, I talked about this in an empties video months and months ago. FLOWERBOMB was a perfume that I wore on my wedding day and I swear it used to not be so popular. I feel like the hype has kind of died down, but for a while that was like everyone's go-to perfume and it wasn't that way years ago. I was so obsessed with that and I loved it, but then I started smelling it everywhere so I kind of got burnt out. I've never tried the NECTAR one. If you love just very kind of like sultry, warm, I typically wear it more as like an evening perfume, but then once you get into these cooler months in the fall and winter, it is great just for like everyday use, but you have to like something that's a little deeper and sexy. NECTAR is definitely more of like a sweeter floral version of that, but It has enough warmth where it still works for like a nighttime and daytime scent. I'm actually running pretty low on perfume, so that is perfect for me. This feels pretty heavy. What do we have? Maybe a cleanser? Oh, this is something from Tarte. I actually haven't purchased anything from Tarte in a while. Not for any specific reason. This is a Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. This is a full-size product. Oh, the packaging of this is so cute too. I love these sort of pumps. I recently ordered some reusable bamboo cotton toner pads. This, oh, does Glossy, you know what? I didn't even realize this. Glossybox has their own skincare line. This is their 3-in-1 moisturizer, plumps, primes, and protects. Apply every morning, then use our night serum in the evening. Ooh, it is vegan and cruelty-free, hyaluronic acid, tsubaki, and red seaweed. It looks like it has more of a gel type of texture. If you like the texture of the Belief water cream, this is something like that where it just melts right in right away. These type of products are great whether you have oily skin or dry skin because it's not anything that's too heavy, makes your skin feel like greasy and tacky, but I can definitely see this as a great moisturizer just to apply right before makeup. Moving on to box number 8, we have, oh, okay, this is from the brand Daily Concepts. To be honest, I'm not quite sure where you can purchase these, like in store, but I have one of these in my shower right now that needs to be thrown away because it's gotten a little bit dingy. And what I like to use this for is whenever I have self-tanner that is stubborn and not coming off, like on my wrists or on my ankles, just areas that whenever I go in with my typical like abrasive, it's not a loofah. It's from a Japanese brand. It's a large exfoliating body towel. Sometimes that can be too rough on softer areas. I went in just with a little bit of a exfoliating cleanser, dabbed some onto here, and then buffed my ankles and my wrists, and the self-tanner came right off. So if you have a hard time with self-tanners, you're not able to get it off, these work great. Now that I'm looking at this, it says a gentle, mild, and vigorous. So I guess there are 3 different options. I didn't even tell you what this is. Who am I? This is the Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. All right, moving on to number 9. This is a hair product. It's from the brand Stafford. It's the Hair Apology Intensive Care 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. Does it smell? Ooh, it almost has a little bit of like a cologne scent. That smells really good. I love hair products that have something a little bit stronger that way. The next day, once your hair is air dried, or if you go in and you blow dry it, if you like flick your hair, get like little whiffs of your hair here and there, this seems like a scent that would linger. That smells really good. Number 10, this is, oh, sheet masks. We have 2 products in here. Both of them are from the brand Freeman. I haven't picked up any of their sheet masks in a while. This is a cute, like reusable, or not reusable, but a multi-use one. It says 3 to 4 uses melting sugar face mask with skin boosters made with real sugar and rose extract. It's moisturizing rose gummy bear. This has such cute packaging. I love that, like there's that little window so you can see the product in there. So satisfying. Okay, then they also talk about tech neck. I need this. This is the Freeman Lovely Neck Firming and Smoothing Sheet Masks. I've seen these offered from several K-beauty brands before. I've never seen these here in the States. So it's a sheet mask that goes from your neck down to your décolleté. That's an area that you can always see like first signs of aging along with your hands. Anytime like you go in with a sheet mask, just take that extra essence and toner, rub it down your chest, rub it onto the back of your hands. I'm excited to try this. That one will be put to use tonight. Okay, moving on, we have box number 11. I keep opening the Snikey Piper side. This is Style Dry. What are you? Style Dry Turban Shower Cap. Protects your blow dry, leaves no marks. The color is really cute though. This is adorable. So inside is just like the traditional shower cap material, but the outside is this really, it almost kind of like feels like a bathing suit. I'm gonna be looking like Patrick Starr in the shower. This is so cute. My shower cap right now is so dingy and gross. I think it's getting to the point that it's just like old. Whenever I do use it, my hair ends up almost messier afterwards just because like the little plastic paint pieces are peeling off and I end up with that in my hair somehow. So I can finally throw that one away and have this one. Shower caps, that's just something that I forget to purchase at the store. All right, number 12, this is a little baby box. Oh my God, this is so random. I've personally never tried anything from this brand before, but a friend of mine was actually just talking about this eye cream. So this is from the brand AVANT. It's the 3-in-1 Hyaluron. I'm not sure, there might be like several different eye creams from this brand, but I know it was this brand that she had talked about, and she had mentioned hyaluronic acid, so I'm guessing it is this one. 3-in-1 Hyaluron Filler Collagen Eye Formula. But we were talking about Millie. Sometimes if you go in with a really thick, balmy type of eye cream, over time that just like clogs those pores and it'll get trapped under the skin and you'll just have these really hard little balls on your under eyes. She had went into the dermatologist and got those removed, and then her friend recommended this and she was telling me all about it. I can't wait to text her a picture. I'm like really excited. Number 13, we have L'Oreal. This is a deluxe size mini. I have one of their firming body creams. I think it has like bee venom or something in it. That body cream is amazing. I've never tried anything else like it, but this is their vitamin C brightening cleanser. It says this high-tech daily gel cleanser is infused with a skin invigorating blend of pure vitamin C and exfoliating fruit AHAs to leave skin with an illuminating boost. Is there a seal on it? Yeah, so I don't want to open it yet just because I have plenty of cleansers open right now, but I personally love vitamin C. I love having cleansers. I love having backup of cleansers because that's one thing I hate running out of. I have a mascara. This is from the brand Wander Beauty, which I had mentioned earlier in the video. I knew that was one of the brands included in here. I personally don't use this mascara. I've talked about this a million times, but I have to use waterproof. But a friend of mine loves this mascara. Anytime I get this in PR, I always give it to her. She raves about it. She has like naturally really long wispy lashes, so she doesn't even have to curl her lashes. I'm incredibly envious of her. So it's the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the one. I'm not gonna use it, but it's just a natural fiber bristle. She swears by this mascara. If you're blessed with amazing lashes and you haven't tried that one yet, apparently it's the bee's knees. Number 15, ooh, this feels like a juicy sheet mask. This is 111 Skin. Okay, I've never tried anything from this brand before, but I'm almost positive this is the brand that I've seen featured on Instagram where they have like some sort of like fancy sheet mask book, like almost like portfolio filled with sheet masks. I'm pretty sure it's from this brand. So I've always been really curious of it. I just haven't tried them yet. So this is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Says that it has 24K gold that enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone, diminishes the fine lines and wrinkles, reinforces the skin barrier, rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. I'm gonna slap this on my face as well as that lovely neck sheet mask. Moving on to number 16. What is this? Oh, I think maybe makeup removers. This is from the brand EVIO Skin. This is another brand that I've never heard of before. It looks like it's a collab with Aurora. That could be an influencer or another brand. I'm not quite sure. Gently massages single EVO skin refreshing cleansing hemp wipe over face in a circular motion, taking care around the eye. All right, moving on to box number 17. This is from the brand Crabtree and AVANT. Oh, wow, they really like revamped their packaging. Isn't this like the old school hand cream that came kind of in the L'Occitane foil type of hand creams with like floral pattern? I'm almost positive. This is the Smooth and Refine Body Lotion. This kind of smells like the stress relief candles at Bath & Body Works. Just clean and refreshing. I actually really do like that scent. Number 18. Oh, this is one of the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks. I've only ever heard of the shade Lolita. Wasn't that the one that like everyone always talked about? To be honest, I don't think I own any of her liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Hawkwind, and it actually kind of looks exactly like what I have on my lips right now. Yeah, this looks like my exact lip color. I've heard these are incredibly long wearing. Number 19, we have something from the brand LA Splash. I have not tried this brand in forever. I remember they had some sort of liquid glitter adhesive. So this is an eyeshadow brush set. Inside you get a blending brush and then a defining brush. My mom needs more eye makeup brushes. I definitely don't need any more. I have plenty, but these look great. And she's someone that loves gel liner, so I bet she would love that angled brush. All right, number 20, we have, oh, I've actually heard great things about this cleanser. This is another brand like I've heard of a ton, but I just personally haven't really bought anything from them. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is their Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. I've heard this is a really good, just everyday gentle type of cleanser, something that's really mild and good for in the morning. So I'll definitely give this a try. It's allergy tested, fragrance free. Okay, number 21. The packaging, whatever this is so cute. This is from the brand Beauty Crop. Oh, Oh, I love the little eyes on here. So this is the Stuck On You Eye Primer, enriched with coconut and pomegranate seed oil. I love getting things from brands that I haven't heard of before because it's always fun when you discover something that's just so good that becomes like a staple in your collection. This is just a potted formula. Ooh, it has a really nice creamy texture. The eye primer that I've been using a lot lately is actually just from the drugstore. It's from JCat Beauty and it's in the shade Nude, but I'm always game for trying out new primers. Have you guys tried anything from Beauty Crop? If so, if there's anything that you recommend, let me know down below. I love trying out more just like smaller brands or indie brands. Not that there's anything wrong with the brands that I currently use, but there's room and love for everyone, so I just like to try other things. All right, this is another thing that has really cute packaging. This is from the brand Hey Honey. It's kind of giving me like Glossier vibes. This is the Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. That just sounds like it would smell delicious. Restore the appearance of dull, impacted skin by environmental factors. 15 minutes to new skin. Oh, I'm like, I want to try this, but I want to try the sheet mask tonight too. Maybe I'll try this mask, but then try like the neck mask, or this instead of the sheet mask, and then try the sheet neck mask. That way I can try a little bit of everything. Okay, moving on, we have number 23. This is something that I hear so many makeup artists talk about. This is the Dr. PAWPAW Tinted Ultimate Red Balm. Multi-purpose smoothing balm with natural pawpaw. What is pawpaw? Landon calls my dad PAWPAW, but what is pawpaw? For lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. I want to swatch this and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. That looks very red. Oh, it told me fragrance-free. Why am I smelling it? I bet this would be so pretty. It feels really nice. It's not like overly greasy. It kind of has the consistency of Vaseline, but thinner, and it seems to absorb a little bit better than Vaseline, but I bet that is so, so pretty on the lips. Okay, we just have 2 more boxes. We have, ooh, a nail polish. This is from the brand Nails Ink. This is perfect for fall and winter. This is the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink. What's the shade? Victoria. This looks beautiful. I never grew out of that whole like oxblood trend. I love that. I still love Lincoln Park After Dark, anything like rich, dark, plummy, or red. I want to paint my toes this tonight. That looks so pretty. I also love the shape of this bottle. Our very final box, number 25. This has a good weight to it and it's pretty big. Looks like it's a palette. This is a product from Iconic London. I had said earlier how that's the brand that I was the most excited for because I've never tried anything from them. This is the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. It says create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented pink, peach, bronze, and gold shades. So this sounds like a warm palette. I can't wait to see. Definitely right up my alley. These look so beautiful, especially the metallics. Okay, I want to swatch. That feels so buttery. Closing Party. Wow, all 3 of those are really pretty. I definitely love the metallics though. Yeah, I'm so excited. I think the main product that I hear talked about from Iconic London are those like highlighter drops, and then something maybe like liquid lips, which liquid lips I'm not crazy about, but I'm definitely excited about this eyeshadow palette. So this palette alone retails for $62 plus everything else. I'm sure that Tarte Micellar Water was probably at least 20. So I mean, those 2 products alone, you're already close to 90, and the box retails for 99. And then as I mentioned, if you guys sign up with the discount code or link down below, you'll get an additional $10 off of the box if you subscribe to Glossybox. So let me know your thoughts on this box down below. What are the products that stuck out to you the most? And that is pretty much it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.